Morning.
Going to Destin in a little bit with my friend. In about an hour, she's gonna get here, a little over an hour. So I wanted to like get some dishes done and stuff like that. We were talking and she was like, what are we wearing? I'm like, are we feeling cute slash comfy? And that's definitely the vibe. So we're also gonna pick up coffee, and I'm excited because I've never been to the outlets in Destin before. Let's go. Hey, babe.
Bye.
Love you. Use the shotgun in here. Obsessed. Oh my gosh. How can I say no? This is kind of cute. Kind of love this. For today is game night at my coworker's place.
What is our housing called? Oh.
This is where the whiskey comes. And finally back. I am so tired. I feel like you can see it in my eyes. I also just ate some Cheetos, hot Cheetos. Shouldn't have done that because I ate so much tonight. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Bath & Body Works because they had $10 candles. The watermelon lemonade. This is from my Secret Santa because she said she likes watermelon scents. It actually smells really freaking good. I got a 'Tis the Season candle. Smells delicious. I don't know what the flavor is, but it smells like Christmas for sure. So I got that one for me. I got the peppermint sugar cookie. I feel like I got all these for me, but I should probably give one as a gift. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And then it has that like hint of peppermint. And then of course, I love all scents that are lemon. So I got this blueberry lemon scent. So I got those three, and again, I feel like I should give them as gifts, but like I love them so much. And then I just love these hand sprays. This one was sunshine and lemons. Smells good. So that's what I got at Bath & Body Works. And then at Dress Up, these are birthday gifts to myself, from myself, because why not? I got this super fun cardigan. Babe, do you like this cardigan?
I do.
Isn't it fun?
It's so extra.
So extra, I love it. I might, if it's cold, wear this on my birthday. I love the
I can't tell if you're talking to me or with you.
I'm talking to both of you. And for New Orleans, I got a matching pink set because we love the pink. So we got this pink sweater. Here it is. Pink sweater. Cute. I actually showed it in the video with the matching skirt. So excited, but that's everything that I got. I got one thing for my grandma at Coach that I'm not going to show because I don't know if she's going to watch this video or not. But that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was posted later because it's 8:45 and I'm going to edit it and post it. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for the next one. Bye!